Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the show. In today's episode, it's Nissan Day, so stay tuned. So I get a call the other day from my good friend Al. He says that his Nissan Rogue needs lower control arms and the dealer's about to charge him mad money on that. So what I told him to do is just go ahead and order the lower control arms, and I'll come to the house and I'll square it away for you. Make sure you put a jack stand on. Yes, I know the internet will crucify me on that if I don't put a jack stand under it. Okay, now to be able to take these lower control arms, you're going to need a couple of sockets. You're going to need a 21 millimeter. You're going to need an 18 millimeter line wrench and an 18 millimeter socket, because you have 18, you got to put the line wrench right on that one right there, and then you got to hit the 18 from the bottom right there. Then to get it from the hub, you got the same thing. You got the 18 there and 18 on that side, and here's your 21. You got to hit both of these to get those out. That's your 21 millimeter. But the problem is that you see that right there? How are we going to get that out? What we're going to have to do is take the sway bar links off, and then we can move the sway bar up a little bit so we can gain access to that bolt. Now, of course, as you can see, we got a little problem. We got a bunch of rust, but got a solution for that. Go grab yourself some PB Blaster. This stuff works great. If you need some sent to the house, there's a link in the description below on how to grab some. So let's continue on. Now, of course, like I was saying, I want to get the sway bar to move up so I can access that 21 millimeter bolt that it is blocking. So just throw a vice grip on one side and throw your 18 on the other side, and we can get it moved out of the way. Now you guys are probably wondering why I'm replacing this lower control arm, because Nissans have an issue in high mileage. Number one is that inner bushing here, that starts to break off, deteriorate, and then the lower ball joint shouldn't move that easy. So let's continue on. Alright, now that we got this one installed, I'm going to leave the sway bar loose because, remember, on the other side, I need to be able to get to that 21mm bolt that it is blocking, as you can see. So, be able to move it, be a lot easier to do. Now, if you need control arms, look down in this description below and I'll get some sent right to your house from Amazon. Well, if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.